In this HSC awareness program, in this video I explain about the hot work precautions. What are the precautions we need before starting the hot work? What are the arrangements required before starting the hot work? First, what is hot work? Hot work is any activity or process that generates a source of ignition. This could be a flame, heat, or a spark. That is called hot work. So, what are the precautions before start we need to the hot work? First one, does the team member trained and experienced? That means without experience or trained person doing the hot work, that means grinding, welding, that type of the seriously work, that means risk hazard very thing work, chances to accident. Next main point is whether the team member are briefed on the task and associated hazards. That means before start the work, we explain to the team members about what is the work, what are the hazards involved in that work. We need to explain to them. So normally we know that next point is sufficient PPE. Okay, before start the work, we need to everybody knows that the general PPEs, that means safety shoe, helmet, everything, we know that. But in this hot work, we need to separate some of the PPEs required. That means leather gloves, apron, face shield, full body. The full body harness is sometimes it may be height work. Also, hot work we are doing in at the height. So that time also we need height related to the height work also precautions. One of the another main important point is whenever the hot work is surrounding area, that surrounding area removed all flammable materials in that hot work. Whenever the hot work is going in a particular area, that spark or flame where going we don't know that. So need to remove all flammable materials from that area. Another one of the main point is we are using the welding machine, gas cutting machine, everything. But before starting, we need to inspect the all machinery, and safety inspection tag is to need to confirm and with the inspected by a competent person before start the work. Some of the area is need to protect the machinery, electrical cables, because our welding work or cutting work, gas cutting work, some normal running factory. So at that time we need to protect our materials or flammable materials. So we need to use fire blanket. One of the important point is at the hot work area must needed to well barricaded, isolated. And what is the purpose of barricadation? Barricadation is the purpose of restricted to or protect to the unauthorized entry into that area. So we need to barricade it before that hot work. And fire watchman must be needed to the one of the hot work area, all hot work area, because that member, that labor or worker is concentrated to his work. At that time flame where it is going or spark where it is going, he don't know to that, he is only focusing to the work. At that time one of the particular person need to the fire watching, and he is well experienced to operate the fire extinguisher and fire Sprinkatham system. And one of the main important point is, another one of the important point is proper ventilation and lighting should be provided, especially in a confined space. So what is the purpose of ventilation? So at the time of welding, that fumes generate some toxic gas. It may cause us to the accident, that it is to the injuries to the health to that worker. So need the proper ventilation. Some of the area where some of the factory areas have no proper ventilation. At that time what they do, some of the exhaust fan they are using to the sucking the smoke from that particular point. Before start the work, before start the hot work, we need to the permit system, and first important to the complete the permit system, and who is the main operator of that work, welding machine or gas cutting equipment, everything, who is the authorized operator. And we need to, some of the area we are provided emergency phone number also we are displayed to some of the hot work area. One of the main important point is we are only using to the electrical equipment. That electrical equipment, the industrial proper plug and earthing must be used. Industrial plug and socket must be used. Otherwise, the current flow will be high. At that time, that cable or socket or plug may be chances to damage. It may cause us to the fire. At that time, we need only the industrial plug top or industrial socket. It's a compulsory need to the follow. Before start the work, it will be must be ensured to that. And another one is important is gas cutting set, flashback arrestor, hoses, welding cable in a good condition. Must be need to the check, the safety officer must need to check before start the work that flashback arrestor and gas hoses, everything is in good condition. Next one of the important point is should not allow the wet condition. Arc welding at a wet condition should not allow. That is in suppose internally or externally. Maybe chances to the electrical. Before start the work, we need to arrange, must need to arrange the proper fire extinguisher and sand bucket. Sand bucket should not kept in floor, and sand bucket always maintained without water, and it will be loose soil must be provided. It needs to protect from wet weather. And gas cutting time and gas pressure and gas gauge need to check whether pressure gauge are in good condition. No grease or oil applied on the gauge thread. It will ensure the cylinder protection cap. It must be need to show, because some of the oil, grease, something, it will be the different variation, and we need to the tightening also difficult, and it may chances to the gas leakage. Must be gas cylinder always should be stored in an upright position and use maintaining one of the trolley, because gas cylinder laying into the ground, suppose gas is leakage, the gas cylinder will be moved to the force depends upon the gas leakage. So always maintaining with a trolley. It is one of the main plus point is easy to move. That is one of the plus point. And before start the work, we need to display the signboard or caution board where it is work going on, that we need to the hot work is going on, should not in this area, nobody will come to this area. This type of signboard need to display, and the work permit also need to display in that area, because work permit means everybody approved to, that means concerned persons approved to the work, then after only start the work. That is the signboard, and work permit must be displayed at the work area. And another one of the important points, without engineer, without supervisor or a job leader or a safety officer should not allow any hot work in any area. One of the main engineer or supervisor or job leader or safety officer must present to that site. These are the basic safety precautions of the hot work. Thank you.